Hello, welcome to my video on how to make a Blinky. So basically, we'll need a breadboard, particle argon, a LED, a resistor with at least 220 ohms, two male-to-male connecting cable wires, and a USB-A to micro USB to a USB-A cable. So firstly, we'll get the argon. Just put it anywhere you like within the middle area, not the edges. Don't go there. And then we'll plug in the USB, micro USB to USB-A. Just give me 1 second. Get that in. So it's flashing green right now, which means it's booting up. And then the next step is we have to look for ground, which is GND. Basically all these squares are aligned in this manner. So 29 is aligned in this manner, 30 is aligned in this manner, and this bus, this positive red line, it indicates that all these squares are connected, and likewise all the negative boxes on this side are connected together. So just repeating myself, these boxes are connected this way, and this way. These boxes are connected this way. Firstly, I'd like you to connect one of the male wires into ground and pop it onto the negative terminal, and then we'll find the resistor, pop it on the negatives. Negative, doesn't matter which side the resistor is, it'll work either way. Pop it into one of the square boxes. Then let's find the LED. Here's the LED. So on the LED, the longer length piece is the positive, and the shorter wire or metal piece is for the negative. So we have to align the negative to negative, and positive we'll connect it later. Yep, and then we'll have to find D6. This is where we'll be outputting voltage from our source code. We'll have to align it with, yeah. So right now I already have my program set up, and as you can see, it's blinking my first name in Morse code. Next, we'll open the particle IDE. Here's the basic, well, this is my program. This is in LED 1, which is assigned the D6 of the argon. And this is in LED 2, which is assigned D7. That is the argon's onboard LED. So I've written a procedure, my own procedure, called long dash, which outputs a high for 2 seconds and turns off for 1 second. So that's the long dash in the Morse code, and then I've got a short dash, which turns on the LED for 1 second and turns off for 1 second. And then here's my setup. So basically, I'm turning on the letting the argon know that I'll be outputting voltage on these on D7 and D6 pins. And then in the void loop, I have long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, short dash, which if you look in the Morse code sheet, it'll spell out my name. After you've got this code running, save it, name it, of course, save it, verify to check for any errors. If none of the errors are there, you can flash it into the argon, and there you go, voila. That is how you program your argon. So now the device is being updated. Once the green light stops flashing, it'll be ready. And as you can see, the LED is flashing long, long, short, long, and this is the tutorial of how to make a blinker. Thank you for watching.